Are you Brandon? Well, let's go to the mountains. To the mountains we go. We're going on a hike that's about maybe 7 miles. 2,000 elevation, maybe. No, we know what we're doing. Okay, we're not irresponsible. But here we go.
Okay, so that sign said very steep, highly not like recommended, so we're gonna turn around and find an easier trail and see what's up.
Look at it. It's just gorgeous. We're at the Darby Canyon, hiking somewhere. I don't really know where. We just kind of hop on a trail and hike until we feel good to turn around. But it's beautiful. It's getting a little hot. Let's go.
So we made it to the top, and one of the apps or the GPS system we have said that the top is 0.3 that way, but if you look at it, 0.3 in this direction. So I already tried climbing up to like about there and just fell through, so we're gonna call it. And sometimes that's just the reality of the hikes. Like, you want to finish, you know, you set up a goal, you come so close, but honestly, we're just gonna go with safety on this one. It was still a good 3 mile, well, it'll be a 6 mile round trip, and then descending the mountain. So a lot of fun and really great views. So overall, highly recommend. Well, day 3 of 3 of rain. Luckily we got a rain jacket, but let's keep going. All right, rain jacket secured.
Here we go. Always bring them with. Always. Here we go.
And just like that, a 6 mile round trip hike completed. High
Through the
five.
snow and rain.
Good job, babe.
After the hike, we drove to Fall Creek Falls in Idaho, which was as gorgeous as it looks. We ended the day by getting some ice cream and planned the rest of our trip in the Grand Tetons.
Ice cream.